Hi, I'm Raksha Radich.
I'm Ranjana Reddy.
I'm Nikita Raj.
When my results came out, me and my parents were very happy. They were going around telling anyone they could find, and I felt a great sense of achievement and pride because all my efforts finally paid off.
And when my results came out, I was very confident about my results, and my results were as I expected. They were really good. Keeping in mind all the extracurricular activities I was part of and managing my academics simultaneously and producing such good results gave me a boost of self confidence, and my parents also were really happy about it.
When I got my results, I was really surprised and happy because I got centums in two subjects, both maths and biology. The learning process were filled with obstacles, but my teachers helped me get through it. My mother and sister were really happy, and I'm happy with the results that I produced.
So for me, it was basically in computer class. I love computer as a subject. So during class, our teachers used to give us few programming questions so that we would have a deeper understanding of what was taught that day in the class. So I always loved and enjoyed solving those programming questions by discussing it with our peers and teachers and having our doubts cleared immediately.
So for me, I'm a very practical and hands-on learner. I learn by visualizing things. So the most memorable or fascinating part that I would say is our practical labs. All our faculty was used to the way they used to explain the experiments and explain the concept behind it. Ultimately, helped you get a deeper understanding that would stay. Example in chemistry labs when we had to figure out the compounds from scratch, and in physics when what we learned in theory was ultimately taught us in practicals. It just provided an overall experience of learning.
For me, it was the biology lab where we were asked to create slides of various sections, and the physics lab where we were asked to learn about various lenses and the traveling microscope. These were experiences of great fun and memory. The way I learn is by teaching others. So the teachers gave me various opportunities due to which I conducted seminars, and it helped me learn the topics better.
The teachers were really helpful. I always used to ask a lot of questions in the classroom, and they were always ready and happy to clear my doubts and help me with anything I wanted. They always provided us with informative and useful resources, which were very helpful throughout our academic journey.
The teachers always gave us real life world experiences and examples that we could relate to the theory in our textbooks, so we could get an overall understanding of the concept itself, so we never had to forcefully mug up any concept.
I learned that it is not always important to produce good results, but to participate is what is more important. And I also acquired some teaching skills. And during PE classes, I used to play throwball, which helped me learn about teamwork.
Being here made me meet a lot of new people and interact with a different set of people, which ultimately helped me improve my socialization skills, and it made me way more comfortable being in social settings. Additionally, I used to also practice for my design entrance exams, and ultimately being here helped me with my time management skills. Also, I was in the basketball team, which helped me with my teamwork and coordination.
Okay, I was the head girl for this year. I had to manage all kinds of students being in this position, both the 11th and 12th grade, because of which I had to interact with people from diverse backgrounds and different perspectives over things, which helped me gain skills like problem solving. I learned people management skills, I learned leadership, and participating in various sports and other cultural activities, and because of this I improved on my public speaking skills. I also did overcome my stage fear.
Okay, I would say it would be my maths teacher, Sunita ma'am. She was fortunately also my class teacher for 2 years. She was the most um helpful, inspiring teacher I've ever learned from. She always helped me. Maths is also my favorite subject, so I had like a special bond with her. We would always have fun in her classes. Her method of teaching was incomparable to anyone else's, and the way she the way she just taught us everything and the way she supported us. And as a class teacher, another sense of attachment that you have to your class teacher is completely different. So the way we all were connected to her was very special, and I would 100% miss her the most.
For me, it would be Mathin sir. He was our computer science teacher in our first year. I love computer science, and him being our teacher was really nice. He always encouraged me to push my limits, learn more in that field, and explore a lot of new things. He always challenged me with new questions of different kinds, so I could learn a lot of new techniques of solving one question in multiple ways, or how complex or how easy, whatever kind you wanted, you could solve things in that way. So he always taught me to have a positive approach towards any question, or basically the whole subject in general. So for me, it would be Mathin sir.
For me, it would be my subject teachers, the four of them. Surabhi ma'am was really innocent, and the way she connected with us, it helped us learn things a lot better. And I did not like chemistry in the beginning, but due to Mahadevi ma'am, I came to class prepared, and we used to interact with her, and it made the concepts much easier. And then maths, Pratibha ma'am was great. She was my class teacher, and she always helped me with other things other than studies. And maths is my favorite subject, and she helped me get good marks because of that. And also, I like Kruti ma'am. She not only helped me with biology, but she also helped me with other aspects such as NEET. She guided me throughout the journey.
For me, it would be the TEDx at CMR NPUC. I was the part of the organizing team, so it was really fun, and also a lot of learning happened throughout the journey. We learned how to reach out to sponsors, get sponsors for events, how to organize and manage an event, and also the speakers. They're people who achieved great things in their own fields, so it was really nice to talk to them in person, listen to their speeches, and get inspired by the work they did. So that was a really wonderful experience I had.
For me, I was throughout my 12th, I was juggling between studying for my design entrance exams and college studies, which are two ends of the spectrum. And one unexpected thing that happened was I had an important design entrance exam right before my pre boards, and the main struggle for me was learning how to overcome studying for both. And in this process, I learned how to study in a smart way rather than the hard way and study each and every single thing. And I did that, and I gained a new perspective, and I learned what important stuff is there in a particular concept. And of course, my teachers guided me through this process as well.
For me, it was the CCG sessions where I gained access to various colleges, which helped me gain clarity to my career.
It was the work exposure program. It was during the summer break of my 11th grade, where we had an opportunity to go and intern at a company. So I interned at a company called Trek Nomads, which is a adventurous travel and tourism company which is mainly focused on trekking. So there I was a part of their sales team, and I was also involved in organizing a trek, so I could learn the on ground operations behind how a whole trek is organized for a group of people. Because of this, I could have a first hand experience of how adventure travel and tourism industry works.
I participated in Invictus. It's a fest, and over there, my team went for the basketball tournament. It was a lot of fun. It was a competitive environment. We got to meet a lot of people, a lot of teams from around Bangalore. We got to experience playing after a long time, and we also got to watch different teams play, observe their skills, observe their learning patterns, and that ultimately helped us all have a very fun experience, and also we built great sportsmanship during the.
For me, it is the trip where we were taken to Karadikallu Betta. In that, we had not only trek but also various other aspects, such as we were taken to rain dance, we had a good resort, good food, and we really enjoyed. Apart due to the tiresome academic schedule that we had, this was really fun.
anything in the field of tech and business always excited me. So, continuing this interest, I would like to do something in the field of tech and business. That's what I'm planning on studying. So, I would really want to be an entrepreneur because I want to be a visionary leader and create positive impact on the society.
My passion is design and I want to become a designer. I wish to not only create aesthetically pleasing things, I want to solve real life problems as a designer that actually make a meaningful impact in society. I want to create good designs that not only people are attracted to, but they blend into the lifestyle of people so easily. And I want to do things that I am inspired by right now.
For me, I like biology, due to which I thought studying medicine would be better for me. But then, because of CMA National, I want to study chemistry a lot. So, right now, I want to do doctor where I want to be specialized in cardiology and neurology. After which, I plan on opening a school and I want to create some aspects that are different from other schools.